Hi, in this video, we will talk about how to perform mouse double click action in Playwright. So for that, I created perform mouse double click test class, and I created one test method called handle mouse double click. Okay. So for this, what we are going to see is if you go to dev.automationtesting.in slash, so web table section, if you click on web table, it will go to the slash table URL. So in this table, you see that double click on this pencil icon edit arrow and right click on this uh, trash icon to delete a record. So when you double click on this, now it will become editable like this. After editing, so if you click on this, it will change. So this is not important for us. First, if I double click on this, whether it is able to editable, becoming editable or not, that we will see. Okay. So for that, first we need to find this element, all these things. So let it be like this. So whenever I double click on this, it will become editable. This row will become editable. Okay. So I'll copy this. So first let me create page instance. Page is equals to playwright dot create dot chromium dot launch new browser type launch options dot set headless false dot new page. Okay. So I created page instance, and now I'll go to page dot navigate this URL, and I'll wait for at least 3 seconds to see the execution properly. So after this, what I need to do, I need to perform double click. Right. So here, first I need to inspect this, find the locator. So I already captured that. So Control F, Control V. You see that? So TR of 1. Okay. Let me reload. Okay. You see that it is highlighting. If you hover on this, so it is highlighting. So I found that locator. I have taken XPath. So let me go to my code. So page dot locator. So I need to give this locator. So after this, you have one of the option called DB click. That's it. That simple it is. Find the locator and perform double click on that locator, DBL click. Okay. So thread dot sleep of 5 seconds to see the execution properly. After that, page dot close. Okay, that simple it is. Find the locator and perform DBL click on that. So we'll give a try and see. Wait for 3 seconds. You see that? A double click, because of that it became editable and a tick symbol. Okay, so it is working perfectly. So there is another way, as we already saw previously. So page dot, you have directly double click option. How we have click option, the same way we have double click, and you just mention the locator. That's it. Instead of page dot locator dot dbl click, you can directly use dbl click, and you can give the locator information. So both are same. So you can use whatever you want. So we'll give a try with this option also. Observe carefully. So once it is loaded, it will wait for 3 seconds and it will double click on. You see that? Double click. So because of that, it become editable. So after 5 seconds, it will close. So that simple it is. Find the element, perform double click on that. That's it. You have page.locator.dbl click or page.dbl click directly. Okay. So this is how you can perform mouse double click on a particular element using Playwright. Okay. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video, share the video, and put your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe to the channel for interesting updates. Thank you.